How to fix G-Sync not showing in Nvidia Control Panel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If a G-Sync is not showing in Nvidia Control Panel, it is mostly because of compatible issue. Now to solve the compatible issue, the easiest way is to check for update and make sure that your PC and your Nvidia drivers are up to date. So what you can do is you can go ahead and download and install the latest version of your Nvidia drivers from the official Nvidia website. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues. Now to enable the G-Sync in your Nvidia control panel, you can launch your latest Nvidia, then head over to the 3D settings and manage on 3D settings. Under the option of Global Setting tab, look for the G-Sync option. If it is available, go ahead and enable it. If G-Sync is not listed under Global Setting, you can check on the Monitor Setup and select a Display button. After this, ensure your G-Sync compatible with your monitor. So by this way, you can easily fix the G-Sync not showing in Nvidia Control Panel. It is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.